How to mention people on TikTok story. So if you want to mention people on TikTok story, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. So search for TikTok, open it, and make sure that you're logged into your account. Go with your profile, which is on the bottom, and then go with login. After logging in, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom. Now once you're on your profile, here you will have a plus option. You need to tap on the plus and select a photo or a video that you would like to add to your story. And once you've selected, then if you want to mention people on your TikTok story, then what you need to do is here on the right side, you will have a bunch of options, right? So you just need to simply go with an option called this stickers, but you won't find an option to mention, right? So in order to mention people in your TikTok story, what you need to do is first you need to post your story. So go with your story, which is on the bottom, post your story at first. Once your story has been posted, now you need to tap on your story again. And now go with the three dots, which is here on the bottom. Tap on it. And then you will find an option of mention. Once you find the mention option, you need to tap on it and you'll be able to mention people in your story. That's how you can mention people on TikTok story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.